We now interrupt this handjob to bring you a breaking development.
He didn't even finish triple finger fucking me. I was 9.5 seconds away from having a multi-orgasm.
I came in my pants to tell you that a body has been found, across from Ryan Gosling's favorite spot to get a blowjob.
It appears the body was dropped there. The murder didn't happen there, so it's okay, Donald Trump. I'll still be your slave tonight.
Are we fucking alive right now?
And now to the slutty reporter who has a camel's toe the shape of Oprah's fat ass. Sorry folks, I was clearing jizz from my ever-so-deep throat. A body was discovered by Ryan Gosling during his weekly handjob at his favorite hotspot. The 65-year-old actor isn't believed to be a suspect. This place gives me the heebie-jeebies. I knew I should have worn less clothing. Back to you cunts. Nothing happening here.
Fuck chivalry.
Yo, Brum Slice, what is this shit?
It's the news home diggity.
No way. You serious, bro? Door.
Word.
How hot was that anchor slut?
She's there to put viewers in the seats. It's why they get away with so much effed up shit.
I would fist her pussy until she bled from the nose.
Shush. They might hear you.
Who are they?
The Eyeballs. A secret government spying operation conducted by interdimensional lords with all the power to destroy individuality.
That kid is a genius ripper of ass. Let me save his surveillance on my flash drive.